Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you where can you store your items where they will be secured. In the beginning, you can purchase houses. Once you buy a house, for example in Imperial City, Bruma or Anvil, all containers inside are safe for storage. Next, you can go to your guild halls, for example mages or fighters. Many of their buildings have safe containers, especially in your faction's headquarters. Next, you can store places in Dark Brotherhood Sanctuary, Arena Bloodworks, and in custom homes. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.